In today's video, I'm going to teach you the importance of avoiding common mistakes that could be damaging your PC without you even realizing it. Whether you're new to computers or just looking to optimize your system, you'll want to make sure you steer clear of these errors to keep your PC running smoothly and securely. Firstly, let's talk about the habit of never restarting your PC. While it might seem like a time saver to leave it on for weeks on end, this can actually slow down your computer's performance significantly. Over time, running applications can lead to memory leaks. It's like trying to run a marathon without rest. Your PC needs that break to reset and recharge. Next up is ignoring those pesky software update notifications. It might seem like they're always popping up at the most inconvenient times, but skipping updates is like leaving your front door wide open for hackers. Software updates often contain crucial security patches that protect your system from vulnerabilities. So when you see an update prompt, don't hit "Remind me later." Install it. Using the same password across all your accounts is another major no-no. Imagine a burglar getting hold of your keyring. If all your keys are the same, they have access to everything. A password manager can be a lifesaver here, helping you keep track of strong, unique passwords for each account. Downloading programs from random websites can feel like an adventure, but it's one you don't want to take. These are breeding grounds for malware. Stick to official sources or reputable platforms like the Microsoft Store or developers' websites to ensure what you're downloading is legitimate and safe. Letting startup apps pile up can also drag down your system, especially when you boot up your computer. Take a moment to review and disable unnecessary startup programs to improve your boot time. Then, there's the debate about antivirus software. Even if you're not keen on investing in a full-fledged antivirus program, using at least Windows Defender is better than nothing. Skipping out on antivirus protection is like leaving your windows open with the lights on. It's an open invitation to malware. Old files and apps that are no longer in use can clutter your system, consuming valuable disk space and slowing down your performance. Regularly go through your files and apps, deleting those you no longer need to keep your system streamlined. Backing up your data is your safety net against disaster. One system crash could mean losing all your important files forever. Consider setting up automatic backups to an external drive or using a cloud service to keep your data safe. Ignoring overheating signs like a fan that's constantly running at high speed is a cry for help from your computer. Overheating can lead to hardware damage, so ensure your vents are clear and your system is well ventilated. Using a power strip without surge protection is risky. It only takes one power surge to damage your PC permanently. Invest in a strip with surge protection, or better yet, consider a UPS for additional security during power outages. Regularly cleaning dust from your PC can significantly improve performance. Dust traps heat, and too much heat can slow down or even damage your components. Periodically clear out that dust to keep things cool and efficient. Clicking Next without reading install prompts can clutter your system with unwanted toolbars and adware. Take an extra moment to read each step and uncheck any additional software you don't need. Saving everything on your desktop might seem convenient, but it's not a storage solution. Too much clutter here can slow down Windows Explorer. Organize your files into folders elsewhere to keep it tidy. Using pirated software is not just unethical, it exposes your PC to viruses and legal issues. Stick to legitimate sources and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with legality and security. Managing browser tabs is crucial. Having too many open can quickly consume your RAM. Practice good tab hygiene by closing those you're not actively using. Checking Task Manager seems basic, but it's vital. Many background apps can slow down your CPU. Keep an eye on running programs and close those unnecessary processes. Running without a UPS leaves you vulnerable to data corruption during power outages. Give your computer the protection it needs against sudden shutoffs with a reliable UPS. Ignoring BIOS or driver updates can lead to poor performance and unexpected crashes. Regularly check for and install updates to keep your system running smoothly. Lastly, learning basic maintenance like disk cleanup, defragmentation, and regularly updating your system can greatly enhance your computer's longevity and performance. By integrating these habits, you'll ensure your PC runs efficiently, and stays in good health for the long haul.